Ew. You must have.
I
Never have I ever farted in the car. What was my most prized childhood possession? If I came with a warning label, what would it say on it?
explosive. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome to my channel. In today's video I am doing my sister's makeup, and we are also just going to make it slightly fun by answering never have I ever questions. So yeah, let's get started. Dookie. So I'm going to first start by priming your face. I'm using Becca's First Light Priming Filter. I'm using some fancy stuff today on you because also she is finally free to make a video with me today. Madam ke internship shuru ho gaye hain, and she has also got, like, you know, college project work and all, so she's constantly busy, and that's why no vlogs. I mean, vlogs mein Guddu wasn't there. Actually, I haven't really been vlogging, so I can't really say that. Yeah, we should do a mukbang, but utna sara khana banane se rahe hum log, so
Show your cooking skills, Guddu.
Okay, Guddu, but then you will also have to help me cook all of that, because we are trying not to order stuff from outside right now, because of the crazy situation happening. You are supposed to look.
Yeah, sure. Give me a second. Okay. Never have I ever picked my nose and ate it. Ew. You must have.
I
You
can
must
imagine
have.
you doing that.
Excuse
I
me.
mean, I must have done it when I was a kid, probably, but who
Yeah,
does that
same
now?
here.
Then why, like, you missed hair, you missed hair.
That's what I was talking about.
Oh no, you did not mention about
Oh.
being a kid and doing that.
Oh. Never have I ever farted in the car.
Mera to pata nahi, I can count on my fingers how many times you have done that.
Excuse me, even you must have, okay? You just don't show it up.
How do you show?
Like, you're a silent farter. The kind of people who run into washrooms to fart.
Chup kar.
S-E-F.
My farts are just feminine farts, okay?
Oh, you can't distinguish farts
It is
in
what it
feminine.
is. It is what it is. I can't help it now if my farts are just like very like
Who's... It's never...
By the way, you are also supposed to answer if you have done that.
Yeah,
like,
that
you're not
is-
answering at all.
That is a universal answer. You, this one's for you. Never have I ever pooped my pants.
Why is that for me?
Come
Like,
on,
how is
open
that
up,
for me?
Didu. You must have in your childhood.
Of course, see, you have to then specify what you're asking.
Did you?
These are all like 7-year-old ke bachcho ke liye questions. My bestie,
Okay.
your bestie.
Never have I ever stayed awake all night after watching something scary.
Stayed awake, I don't think I can say stayed awake, lekin yes, I was like creeped out. I think because I'll tell you why this happened. So I never used to watch horror movies, and then just out of nowhere I went to a theater and watched Annabelle Creations, and I remember being freaked out like crazy because yeah, I couldn't get like a proper like deep sleep after that. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
So, oh my god, look at my hair! You couldn't tell me this is how it looked like the entire time.
No. It did not look like that before. Never have I ever tried to Never have I ever tried to strategically time farts with loud noises. You know,
No wonder all your questions are about farts. Like,
Oh,
I call her Fart Queen because, well, it is what it is.
no. Answer this question first. Stop covering up, okay? Well, she's the queen of timing her farts with 5 seconds interval and also singing a song with it.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It just happened once and it was a proper coincidence.
No, it was not a coincidence.
Then, do you have any questions apart from farts?
My eye is itching.
Don't even think about itching your eye. Like, all you have been doing is itching your eye from like few days now.
My nose is itching.
You decide your eye is itching or your nose is itching.
Okay, never have I ever written my parents' signature on something.
Never. I think I would.
You have always done it in your diary, in your school diary.
Oh yeah, a diary is not considered something big. Like diary was like this stupid
So
thing.
what? But you have done it, right?
Okay, okay, fine. I thought you're asking maybe about like a report card or something of that sort.
You never know, you must have.
I've never done that on a report card. I just never had to do that. Okay.
Right.
Okay. By the way, you're answering none of it, huh? It's like you're asking me
I
questions.
have done it many times. But
So,
only
like-
on diaries.
Don't worry, you're going to look beautiful and gorgeous in just a few moments, okay?
Sure. I trust you.
You have no option but to trust me, no, Guddu?
Just a second. आराम से दिद्दू मेरा फेस है वो
मुझे पता ही नहीं था तेरा face है वो. I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Jelly eyeshadow as a base. This is
Are
green.
we not done yet?
No, we're not done yet. This is green, but this is just going as a base, okay? Because I want to use like this purple glitter on top. This could be a good decision or a really bad one. We're about to find out. अरे इसके ऊपर मैं purple डालूंगी तो वो ये cover हो जाएगा. You look so funny right now. Hold on now. Don't move.
Did you apply concealer?
Yes. Where? I have not started doing your base yet. This madam is like, did you apply concealer?
Okay, so this is 55 questions all siblings should be able to answer about each other.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
We're doing that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What was my most prized childhood possession?
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All of those stickers that I used to get.
Those were your most prized possession.
And even yours.
But I could never possess it.
Okay, then it has to be rubber. Eraser. Like she was obsessed with eraser as a kid. Like इसको सारे मेरे colorful eraser, different shapes वाले eraser सब चाहिए होते थे.
And she was this type of sister who would never share it, you know, and like you never give it to me, Riddhu. You would
Why
fight.
should I give it to
I
you?
was
You
a
were not
younger
even
little
studying.
sister. I was a cute too.
I don't know about that.
What did I do as a little kid that was super embarrassing? I know one of the things which was super embarrassing in front of everybody. I mean, it was embarrassing for mom and dad.
What did you do?
For mom.
What was it?
Puja stops. You remember?
You peed there, no.
I was very, very young, okay? And I peed in the store and then mom had to face all the embarrassment. Sorry.
बेचारी मम्मी.
What was yours?
मुझे तो मेरे को सच में याद नहीं है. Like I wish I remembered.
She didn't really embarrass us. What do I do that still drives you totally crazy?
Your farts, your burps, and your itches.
Excuse me. Shut up, okay?
It does drive me crazy. And
You
know that.
enjoy it. Stop it. You never get crazy with it.
Okay, it's like fun but also annoying. Okay, is that fine for you now?
And what is something that annoys me is
No. Messed up. Can you just mix that while I wipe my
what
face?
are you actually applying? Like I can
That is like a shiny thing. You don't want a shiny base or what? You don't even know what a shiny base is.
What is it? Like what did you apply?
What did you apply? Okay, the thing that I applied is not available anymore, but it was this. Khatam ho gaya.
Don't worry, I'm gonna flick it. What drives me crazy is
बता जल्दी बता. टाइम नहीं है किसी के पास.
you just being lazy.
अच्छा.
I mean, you
That's
called
not
me
too
from
bad.
the other room to switch on the fan, and like as if it's something very urgent to be done. But then turns out I just have to switch on her charger or her, fan. So yeah, that is something which drives me crazy. What is something that completely changed about you as you got older? I mean, when she was a kid, she hated sharing things with me. But as she grew older, I mean, she's become this caring sister.
Oh, I never thought you would say something good about me.
अब मेरे बारे में बोल.
अच्छा, तेरे बारे में. You are also extremely caring. Like जब भी मेरी तबीयत खराब होती है, like I don't even expect like that kind of like caring. But पता नहीं कहाँ से आ जाता है तुझ में. then I'm like, मेरी छोटी सी बहन इतनी बड़ी हो गई.
वैसा प्यार आपको उस टाइम ही आता है मेरे लिए. When I care.
By the way, तुझे भी उतना प्यार मेरे पे तभी आता है.
What is one of our go-to food? Like one of yours go-to food? Okay, I can answer this. She just loves South Indian meal. Okay, like anytime she's ready to eat it. Especially the Andhra meal wherein you get the pappu, rasam, and और क्या मिलता है? Sambar, rice. I mean, she is up for it anytime.
And street food में?
Pav bhaji.
Good girl.
Okay, what about me?
अच्छा, तेरा comfort food बताना है. तेरा वैसे कुछ है नहीं, तू सब खा लेती है. Like,
Think.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? सच में है?
No, I'm trying to think.
पता नहीं. Seriously, तू सब खाती है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है तुझे कि you
I love-
crave something at one point in time.
But I love chicken 65. I mean,
हाँ, इसका comfort food probably will be chicken starter.
yeah. I'm up for it.
इसको चाहिए होता है हमेशा.
Oh my god, just look at me. Looks like I'm shedding blood. No, like, look at this center part. Okay?
नौटंकी कुछ भी बोलती है.
Shall I ask you another question?
Oh no, गुड्डो!
What?
Wiped off all your eyeshadow. Can you look up? You're like,
Okay.
look up. Give me 1 minute to.
Okay, next question. Who's super organized, messy, or a complete slob?
ये I think सबको पता है. अगर they have watched our previous videos, you are organized and messy, and I'm also a complete snob.
Were they obsessed with their birthday growing up, or did they not like all the attention? We were always obsessed.
Always obsessed.
Like when we were young, mom would buy samosas and we would have this party.
जबरदस्त भारी भरकम
Zabardast
party.
party and
And then when we grew up, we realized कितना पैसा खर्चा होता है. And we would tell कि नहीं party तो नहीं चाहिए. But then we would also internally like hope कि नहीं भाई कर दो party.
And when it would be my birthday, I would receive a lot of gifts and somebody would be there to just like flick them off. Just
ऐसा क्यों होता है कि
slyly.
every time छोटे वाले like the younger sibling gets all the best gifts and फिर बड़े वाले sibling के birthday पे या तो कोई आता नहीं है या फिर आते हैं तो कोई gifts लाते नहीं है. ऐसा हमेशा होता था. So
Are
you
you
can't
an
blame me.
Okay, sorry. Next question. Are you an introvert or an extrovert now?
I think I'm an introvert. मतलब ऐसे like meeting people वाला types तो I'm introvert.
I mean, we are not totally introvert and not totally extrovert.
I think Guddu is an extrovert. वो किसी से भी बहुत जल्दी से ऐसे conversation start कर लेती है and then she's just good at that and I'm not. तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि I'm that sister with attitude, which is not true. So basically, whenever we know that we are going to meet someone new, I'm not going there if Guddu is not there. I'm not. Because मुझे पता है I'll do a horrible job at just initiating a talk or whatever. So.
What are you most proud of each other?
That sounded grammatically wrong. Did you read it correct? No, right?
What are you most proud of them for? This is right.
This is right. I'm proud of you for like इतनी मेहनत करके इतनी अच्छी जॉब लग गई तुम्हारी. अभी भी मेहनत करती हो तुम. Like you don't take things for granted. That I really like about you. I'm proud of you for that. चल मेरे बारे में बोल अब.
I'm proud of her for actually juggling between her work and doing her YouTube. I mean, it's not an easy task at all. I mean,
what do you mean?
who doesn't really want their weekends to be, you know, free and just do nothing? But she is very hardworking. After her office hours, she sits and edits videos. I mean, she's never tired of, you know, anything. So that is something which is really inspiring, and I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
How well do you know me? How well do you know me? Okay.
Okay. How well do I know you? क्या है आगे?
Okay, I'm gonna ask. I'm figuring out. Can you wait? If I came with a warning label, what would it say on it?
Explosive.
Stop it.
Of course, don't you think I'm right? That's what it would say.
Do not handle with care.
Do not handle with care or handle
No. If you would come with a warning label, it would be alert, hangry person, handle
Wow,
with care.
so innovative.
No, that is what it is. If I even talk to you when you're hungry, I mean, you just... Sorry.
अंधेरा हो गया है अब कैसे फिल्म किया जाए.
If I could plan the perfect family meal, what would we be eating?
If you could plan, we would be eating जहाँ से बिरयानी तुझे पसंद है वहीं की बिरयानी we would be eating. Like अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मेरे को ये अच्छा नहीं है,
नहीं इसमें इतने में इतना मिलेगा,
ये लगा ले तू.
And if you would plan a family meal, it would be either South Indian meal or it would be ambur biryani, basically khushka with kebab. But I don't hate it. क्या लगाऊं?
मस्कारा.
My eyes look like a disco club.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. This is the finished look. After adding lashes, I could have done better with the lips. I don't think this is the appropriate eye and lip combination, but then it's also raining and it's going to get really dark any moment, so we had to quickly wrap this up. But we hope that you guys enjoyed it. Did you enjoy this video?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being on my channel, for all the bhav that you gave me today. You look so gorgeous. Like what do you think of this look? Like have you seen yourself in this like colorful look before?
No, never.
Right, you look gorgeous, girl. You look gorgeous. Okay, thank you so much guys. We really hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoors, and if you are tested positive, wishing you a very speedy recovery, and I hope you guys enjoyed again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.